Hey yo, what's up? It's your girl Destiny Arianna, and today I'm back with another video. If you've been here before, welcome back, and if you are new, welcome to my lifestyle channel. As you guys can see from the title of this video, today I'll be attempting to do box braids on myself with the help of my mother. I'm a beginner, I've never done box braids on myself, so this shall be interesting. But before we get into the video, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you can be notified whenever I post another video. Okay, so let me finish. So we're about to actually part my hair. I'm just gonna comb it out because I'm very tender-headed and my mama has some heavy hands.
Really?
Sorry. So what we did in parting my hair was we used the rubber band method, as I mentioned earlier. And we basically just parted my hair into 3 sections. So we parted it by the ear, from ear to ear. That was 1 section. And then we separated the center with 2 parts. Basically 1 part down the middle, and that created 2 sections. So that's 3 sections, basically like creating like a T shape with my parting, if that makes sense. Hopefully it does. And then I just continued a brick pattern and tried to get the parts as neat as possible. My mom helped so much with this because y'all, I am a parting amateur. Okay, so I actually just finished parting the side of my hair. My mom helped me with the rest. I don't know how this is gonna go. I hope it comes out well, but y'all, it's gonna be a long night. But I just finished parting my hair. What we did, as I probably explained already in this video, is just starting with the back, parting in like a brick pattern in the back, and then basically just dividing your hair into 3s. So you have the back and you have the 2 sides in the front, so they can fall nicely in the front. I basically used my ears as the parting point, told my mom that. And yeah, that's what we got. Pretty nice even parts. So I'm just gonna start by unpackaging this hair and setting up in sections, and then I'm gonna probably work on the back section of my hair tonight and start again with the front tomorrow. It's very soft, which I definitely already like already. So the hair is already extremely soft, y'all. This is the color, so you can see it in more depth. It's definitely like a little honey brown. So the only thing is that this is what comes in 1, so it's truly not that much hair that comes in 1 piece, y'all. Like, you see that? It's not that much. So I will definitely be doing smaller braids. I have right now 4 packs of hair, which I hope is enough. We'll see, because if not, I'll be taking a trip back to the beauty supply. Okay, so here I just grabbed a small piece of hair and I'm attempting to actually wrap this piece of hair around the rubber band and just use my hair as a 3rd strand. And I'm just going to start braiding using 2 strands of the extension and my natural hair as a 3rd strand. As you can see, it is working, but slightly getting tangled. This is my first attempt, and as the video will continue, you'll see that I changed my method. But I just wanted to show you guys the trial and error as I am doing this as a beginner. So I continue to braid, and as I go forward, you're gonna see that I somehow make 3 sections. But first, I take the Shine and Jam and I just apply that to the end so it can stick nicely. And then I split the hair into 3 sections, and I just continue to braid my hair downward. So as you can see here, I'm doing the same method. I didn't realize this method was not effective until the next day, in which I'll show you guys the method that actually worked and pulled me through and was 10 times faster.
So guys, I've clocked out for the night. This is like not even a lot. Like this is embarrassing how many I have right now. We're gonna try this again tomorrow and hopefully I actually finish. So I'm back the next morning ready to finish braiding my hair. So I'm about to just hop back in and start braiding again.
So what you guys will realize is that the crochet method is actually what worked best for me. So this is just when I'm taking a piece of hair and pulling it through the rubber band. And I'm then going to take the Shine and Jam and I'm gonna put it on my hair just because my hair is super thick and I need to make sure it gets super thin so it can blend into the extension. And again, I'm going to tighten that grip on the top and start braiding with my hair as the third strand. So then I eventually again create 3 pieces of hair, blend that in smooth, and it goes perfectly because of the jam, and I just continue to braid my hair down. Don't worry, I'm gonna show you guys how to do this one more time because it took me a while to get it.
So it is about 4:30 in the afternoon. I started braiding around 11 and I just finished the back of my hair. I really like the color. I think it's super cute. My hands hurt, I'm tired. But we did the back. I'm gonna see if I can show you guys how the back looks so far. So I'm gonna show you guys that method again on this piece right here before I get to finishing up another section. So remember, like I said, I'm gonna see if I can zoom in. So you are going to pull that rubber band down a little bit so you can have space to put your hair through. See that space I gave it? That is crucial. So I'm gonna take some jam. I'm just gonna jam this piece, get it nice and slick.
Okay, so now I'm gonna take the latch hook and I'm gonna put it through the rubber band and I'm going to attach the hair and pull it through. So after that, I'm gonna make sure that the hair is even on both sides, and I'm gonna take my natural hair and I'm gonna tighten the rubber band just to get that grip. That has helped me so much, y'all, like you don't understand. So now I'm gonna wrap the piece of hair around the rubber band just to cover it up, and I'm gonna split the hair into 3 sections from there and then just start braiding down. This has helped me so much just in terms of catching my hair because I wasn't doing that before. Since I'm a beginner, my grip is weak, but this method definitely helped me a lot.
Alright, y'all, so we are nearing the end of this long, treacherous journey of me attempting to braid my hair myself. Definitely, you know, proud of what I have so far, because who knew your girl could actually like do something? Because I ain't know. I'm not a hairstylist, I'm an artist, but I'm not good with hair. So this is actually really surprising that I got this far. Probably gonna do a couple more, but I'm gonna have my mama help me with the top because I want it to lay flat and I can't really see the back part of the center. So yeah, that's what I have right now. I'm gonna just keep building up sort of on the sides, and you guys will see when she helps me with the front. So I'll see y'all in a little bit. Alright, so we are so close to being done. So close. So close. Just wait. Okay, so my hair is finally done, guys. I'm so happy with it. I'm so happy with my hair. I'm so happy with the color. Truthfully, this is probably one of the best like at-home hairstyles that I've done. My mom definitely was a lot of help, but this is the first time that I actually attempted to try a style without getting her to do it with me completely or just letting her do it by herself. This is my hair. I'm in love with it. Like, as you guys can see, you know, the height is okay. I think truthfully, super cute. Look at that. Wow. So here I'm just giving my hair a little TLC. I'm applying mousse just so my hair can lay flat. Obviously I didn't care at this point. I was just so excited to be done, so got everywhere. Usual Destiny stuff. But anyway, I'm just gonna take some oil and I'm gonna oil my scalp just so, you know, we can have a moisturized head, because that is what we need. And I'm just gonna apply a do-rag and then, you know, put my bonnet on to sleep, and that is it, y'all. That is it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I had so much fun recording it. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you made it this far and you aren't already subscribed, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. And again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.